Hi, Scott Dillon here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Sea Ray SLX 280. All right, so the SLX 280, traditionally one of the best-selling SLXs here in the Dallas market. It's the biggest SLX that you can reasonably trailer. It does have a 9-foot beam, but it is trailerable, and that's one of the reasons why we do really well with it here in this market. Really, really big bimini top. One of the first things people notice. Does have this extending section that you can pull out or pull in. It's non-mechanized, really nice. One less thing to break, really. The bimini top itself is held on by a cam strap, so if you do keep the boat stored for long periods of time or trailer it, it's really easy just to pull this canvas off for going down the road. Swivel board racks, also power tower, which is really nice. Electric swim platform also, which I'm a fan of. Nice storage built in next to your cup holders. Wireless cell phone charger here. There's also another one over here at the companion seat. Isotherm refrigerator built in underneath the captain's chair. Twin Simrad screens control all of your lights, your stereo. Mercury active trim built directly into your binnacle control now. This boat also has dynamic running service, so your trim tabs are now done automatically for you, which is fantastic. This one was ordered with a pump out head, so real easy to use. Use your foot, lift the pedal on the left-hand side, fill the basin with water, use the bathroom, step on it. It's gonna vacuum suck it down into a holding tank, and the local marina can pump that out for you. Nice little Sea Ray downlight here, so when the battery's on, it's a little darker. This will cast the Sea Ray logo down on the floor, which is done well, and I really like the looks of it. Full sea deck all the way up, even up through the front. Wraparound seating in the front, and absolutely fantastic storage over here on your starboard side. That all lifts up, so underneath here, those are your bow filler cushions, also your teak table. Flip down armrests, USB ports up here as well. So really nice boat. We do very well with this boat here in this market. If you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd like to talk to you.